Yo, what's going on, guys? As you can hear, it's Mashramani in Guyana, aka Mash, which is Guyana's annual Republic Day, and I believe the word comes from an indigenous term meaning celebration after hard work. And I just finished work, so there's no better reward than stepping outside straight into the spirit of Mash. It's crazy because I could hear the music since the morning, and it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, and I can see everybody's all dressed up in their nice clothes. And this is why I love Mash. There's massive float parades, street food everywhere, and the whole country is dancing like nobody's watching. As you can see, the whole of Vicinja Road is covered in tents with people selling their local crafts, all those tasty foods, and many spectators. Over in this tent, some guys are playing Crown and Anchor, where you pick your symbol, say a little prayer, and hope it lands. But it doesn't look like it was this guy's lucky day. I settled with a hot dog to keep me going, and of course it had to be a nice cold Banks just to keep the vibes flowing as I walked through the crowds, just surrounded by nothing but culture, all the colors and good energy. I hope you guys enjoyed Mash, whether you were there out on the streets or watching from home. And to my people overseas that couldn't make it to Guyana this year, we're holding a spot for you next time. I'm going to leave you with the rest of the clips for the day, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, like, follow, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. This is the first gear.